Scalar multiplication. A vector v can be multiplied by a number c. The result is a vector cv which has the same direction as v with an amplitude equal to the absolute value of cv. If c is negative, then the direction of the vector reverses as shown below. So what do we have here? Here's v. We multiply it by 2, and it's in the same direction, but the magnitude is doubled. In this case, the magnitude is cut in half from the original v, so hopefully you can see how this is half of this. And then since it's a negative, the direction of the vector reverses, so it's pointing in that direction here. Scalar multiples. A car travels east at 50 miles per hour. How far does it go in 3 hours? So we're going to represent east at 50 miles per hour by this vector here. 3 hours is a scalar multiplier, which is why there are 3 vectors, right? So this is the first hour, second hour, third hour. The car travels 150 miles in 3 hours, right? We're just multiplying 3 times 50. Both components of a vector are multiplied by a number to create a new vector. Vector u, over here, 8 over 6, and here's the vector drawn out, is a combination of the orange and blue arrows. So here's your orange, here's blue, and here's 8, 6, which is this vector here. Vector 1/2 u is the orange arrow. So 1/2 u is 1/2 times 8 over 6. You multiply both the top and the bottom by 1/2, and you get 1/2 u is 4 over 3, and here it is on the graph right here. Given the vectors u equals 2 over 7 and v is minus 4 over 6, find the following: 2u, 3v, 1/2 v, and minus 2u. Answer on next slide. So 2u, we place a 2 in front of the vector 2, 7, then just multiply top and bottom. So 2 times 2 is 4, 2 times 7 is 14. This vector is 2u. 3v, similar. This time we have a 3 in front. So we multiply 3 times minus 4 on top, get minus 12. 3 times 6 on the bottom, 18. This is our vector, 3v. 1/2 v. Take the 1/2, put it in front of our original vector, and 1/2 times negative 4 is negative 2. 1/2 times 6 is 3. Our half v vector is minus 2 over 3. And finally, minus 2u. Put a minus 2 in front of the vector. Minus 2 times 2, minus 4. Minus 2 times 7, minus 14. This is our vector 2u.